working all night for you. Nah, I'm working all night. I'm working all night. I'm working all night for you. Nah, I'm working all night. I'm working all night.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Michael out here with another video. I'm actually gonna come out at you with two videos this week. This one's just kind of an update. The other one's gonna actually be like kind of a build update as well. It's something that I did off of camera because I did it when I didn't have a camera. Okay, so first off, I lost my GoPro Hero 4 Silver. I had it, we were going up wheeling and I had it suction cup mounted to right here. I will never buy a suction cup mount. I have a bar mount to go on my roof rack now. But at the time, I still had the suction cup mount. We were going down the highway. It came off, shattered all over the... I ended up finding the GoPro. I have pictures of it on Instagram and on Facebook if you care to look. But anyway, so that's what happened. So I was without a camera for about a week. I bought the Hero 4 Session. It's a little bit smaller. I can't put the microphone in there, and so it is going to be lower sound quality, so I do apologize. Until I'm able to save up to get, like, you know, a better vlogging camera, this is what we're going to have to deal with. So I do apologize. I'm going to still try to make these videos good. The other thing is as far as wheeling trips, we've been really low on the wheeling trips lately. I really wanted to go on a couple wheeling trips. But we've mostly just been able to get out at night. A lot of us have been working late. It's been hard to get the Tank Life crew out and doing stuff together. And the other thing is we're basically balls deep in an engine rebuild right now. If you remember my buddy Colton, he's the one with the yellow XJ. He hydrolocked his engine on the last wheeling trip up at the Centerville V Playground. And anyway, he got it running again, blasted all the water out. Everything worked fine. And I do apologize, by the way, if my hands are really unsteady. I am just holding the cube. I don't have it on the tripod. Anyway, he got it running, but he didn't run it. He didn't flush the system. He just basically added more oil to it and just went. And so he had diluted oil. He bent some rods, developed quite a rod knock. Didn't tell any of us about it. And next thing we know, me and Rhett, we get a text, or we got a message on Snapchat from Colton like last night, literally. Just frantically like, oh my god, dude, I'm broken down on the side of the highway and it won't run right and I don't know what happened. And he says, I tried to start it, it sounds terrible, come get me. So we go up there. Rhett brings his dad's Duramax up there. I was in the Jeep coming home from the gym, so I just, flipped a bitch, went up there. Anyway, we're pretty sure he's ruined his crank. Rhett's pretty, Rhett is very, how do I say it, he's very confident that it is just like a rocker that went bad, but I feel like it's knocking way too hard. Just in my opinion, I think he broke a piston, but again, we don't know, we haven't tore into it yet, and basically, we're just going to rip the bottom out, we're going to rip the oil pan off, we're going to rip the valve cover off, we're going to look down in there. If we see it's going to be an easy fix, we'll just fix it and see if we can't save it. If it is a piston, we'll probably just buy a whole new block. But yeah, so we're still doing an engine rebuild. I will get you guys updates on that when we start it. Rhett's already working on the job. I am not really free to go hang out and do stuff until like Sunday night. So on Sunday, just day. So Sunday, I'll go over to his house. I'll try and get some video for you guys. But yeah, so that's kind of the update right now. Obviously, basically the leader of our group doesn't have a vehicle right now. And he has a Chrysler 300, which also just had its engine rebuilt. And it's in the shop because he hasn't paid the bill yet. He doesn't have money for the bill. So that's why we're rebuilding the Jeep engine. It's just a mess. So he can't really do anything. And me and Rhett are just taking it easy at this point. We're trying to just save some money because I have a really strong feeling that this could turn into some shit pretty quick. So that's kind of the update, guys. I don't mean to, not be making videos or, not giving updates. But that is kind of the problem. It's just been a very hectic time. So I hope you all understand. I hope that, you know, everything's good and y'all can be fine with that. But I am going to try and get you guys weekly videos if I can. That's what I want to do, is get weekly videos. But as of right now, it might turn into like maybe bi-weekly videos. Maybe I'll get you 2 in 1 week and I won't get you one the next week. I don't know. I'll just upload videos when I can, as for now. And then once everything gets back up and rolling again and we're just ready to go, I'll get back on the weekly videos. But anyway, guys, that's it for this update. I'm actually going to record a video right after this showing off the upgrades that I just did to my Jeep. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias down below in the description. And until next time, guys, this is your boy Michael signing out. Peace.